Okay, hi guys, so welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're going to be doing cabling, or lining, or wiring, whatever you want to call it. So I'm currently on Blender 4.3.2. So apparently it's different on this version of Blender compared to older versions of Blender, but basically what you need to type in is extra curve objects into your preferences. Your preferences can be found in your edit section under preferences. So just go ahead and install this. Should take a couple of seconds. I do believe that we have it there. Okay, so from here it's pretty easy. So right now I've got some walls and I've got some boxes and I want to get some lines running towards each. So I'm just going to choose a random box and then I'm going to choose a secondary random box. Don't forget to hit shift so that you've got them both. And then what we're going to do, we're going to hit shift again, but we're going to press A at the same time. So here we go. We're going into curve, we're going to go into knots, and then the cantenary, I can't even pronounce that, but yeah, that one. And you'll notice that we've got a line here. Now if you go into the bottom here, you'll see a lot of different options. The only problem is my my screen keys are in the way, so I'm just going to turn these off at the moment. Okay, so you can make this as long as short as you want. You can give it a couple of weird things. I mean, like, I would just say experiment with it a little bit. But now you see that we've got a line just there going between these two boxes. Let me see. So random seed 1, you've got all this kind of stuff that you can just mess around with it. Just see what works for you. You can make it thicker or thinner. Yeah, if I just turn on the render here, you can also see the wire coming across. I'm just going to rotate my sun a little bit so you guys can see that. So we've got the wire there. To change the colour, you just go to the materials section and you can just go ahead and change that. You've got roughness and stuff, so I mean you can do whatever you want to with this. So let's see, let's get another box in here. Let's see, I would like these two to run together, so shift A, go into curve, knots, bottom option, here's another knot. Yeah, pretty kind of easy, so like shift A, curve, knots, got another one. So yeah, that's basically how it is. Your options are at the bottom to change these. I would change them when you do install them, because I don't think you can get the box back. I think it just disappears and it's forever kind of thing. Yeah, it just kind of disappears. It's the same with the trees. When you make trees, the options at the bottom also go. But yeah, you can have fun. Just, you know, shift A, curve, knots, and just make as many of these lines as you possibly want. I hope that was helpful for you guys. I'll see you in the next one.